Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Python with ChatGPT. So it's pretty simple now because you don't really need to turn it on or something like so, but you need to have a ChatGPT 4. It will not work with ChatGPT 3.5 because you will need a Plus subscription and upgrade your plan. It costs around $20 per month, but you get a lot of stuff like code generating, copywriting, image generators, and so on and so forth. So once you will sign into your ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus subscription, after that, on the left side, you will see Explore GPTs. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And from here, as you can see, there's also SQL Expert and so on and so forth. Now you want to go ahead and click on Programming. And here it is, your Python. So a highly sophisticated Python where you can go ahead and start a chat with it. And now you will be able, please write an advanced example script or help with something, and basically just use the Python here. So for example, advanced example script to demonstrate your capabilities. Let's see what it does. And here it is. Here is the Python script. So basically you can ask it anything and it will write you a code. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.